Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Clickbank affiliate account. Go to clickbank.com and click on the Start Here button on the top right corner. You can answer these questions or you can skip the quick start guide by clicking Skip. On the sign up page, select your country and enter your first name, last name, phone number, email address and password. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Join Clickbank. After signing up, you'll be asked to complete your account profile. Fill in your basic details like your address, phone number, and preferred language. Choose how you'd like to be paid by entering your payee name and tax information if needed. Select Promote Products as an affiliate when asked about your goals and provide an estimate for your annual revenue. Click Save to finish your profile setup. Once done, your account is ready to use. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.